The iPhone 17 series is only about a month away from its official release, and rumors regarding the colors it will come in have already begun to circulate. One color in particular has gotten a lot of attention, a bright orange iPhone 17 Pro Max. This might be fantastic news for many Apple fans, particularly those who are tired of the dark and muted colors that Apple employs on its Pro models. Apple has previously used safe colors such as space black, silver, and navy blue. But this time, things may be different. If the orange color seen in the leaked dummy devices is accurate, Apple may finally be ready to add some fun to the Pro line. The orange iPhone 17 Pro Max in the leaks appears bright and exciting, but not overly loud. It is not neon or overly flamboyant. Instead, it has a softer, more luxurious appearance. In a market dominated by black and gray phones, this new shade might definitely stand out. Meanwhile, the remainder of the iPhone 17 lineup may be moving in the opposite direction. According to a leak, the normal iPhone 17 and 17 Plus will be available in softer, less vivid colors. We might see faded shades of green, blue, and pink. If you prefer the vibrant colors of the iPhone 16, such as teal or yellow, this may feel like a step backward. There's also the iPhone 17 Air, which is intended to be lighter and smaller. The hues revealed for this model in leaks are considerably more degraded. These colors may be too simple for those who prefer a little flair in their phones. Looking back, one of the most popular iPhone hues in recent years was a yellow version of the iPhone 14. It was bright, joyful, and unique, but the yellow was toned down in the iPhone 15, and it disappeared entirely from the iPhone 16 lineup. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.